Now, right next to it, what language do you think that is? It says Das Nokia. German. Great. Okay, so there's a good chance you're in Germany. And there might even be a chance you're in Berlin. So I'm going to be pretty confident that you're in Germany. I mean, look, there's even a euro sign as well to the left of you. So let's call that Germany. Next we need to find which city you're in. So have a look around. Is there anything else that you can see? Oh, there's a billboard. Great. Okay, so what does it say? It says... Yes, it says Berlin. So there's another Berlin guess there. I'd say that you're probably in Berlin. So now let's go for one more. We need to work out what area are you in. So are there any signs around you that would help where you are? Any signs? Okay, do you want to follow those signs and see if there's anything there? Have a look around. Okay, great. So have a zoom in over there. Okay. Here's another way you could do things. I want you to see, are there any shops around you? Oh, great. There we go. Okay, so that one in the corner over there, Zanklinik. Okay, why don't you type that in on the internet and it'll tell you the area you're in. You